Today we're finally getting to the sofa. I built the knee wall here. It's got 110, going to be USB ports and power outlet, as well as a switch for the lights above. You may notice that from a previous video and all the fun I had moving the heater in there, we decided with the heater it was all going to be out this far. And after a lot of discussion, even if we moved it over here, no matter what we did, it was either stick into the doorway or make the couch way too big. So we decided to get rid of it. But it was a toss-up whether we really needed it anyway. So what I'm doing is I've got the board across the back. I'll show you how I did the leg. We're going to, over here, we cut the wall off so that if at any point in the future something needs to be modified or added, we can be able to open this back up and get to that without disturbing the sofa. So now I'm going to finish screwing that on. We got one that comes out here, and then get the frame together. Now, a lot of people would think about doing a joint like this on the corner of the couch, but this is going to be a little weak. If you do this, then you got space. So what I'm going to do is what we call a half lap. I'm going to cut halfway through this and then halfway through this on the opposite, so this overlaps. That way this main piece across is supported by this. Makes for a much stronger joint. Now, to set the depth for this, you'll notice this 2x3 is actually 1.5 inches. This 3/4 inch pieces are halfway. So if I set the depth of this blade to the height of this, that will be halfway through this. There's half of it. Now I'll just do the other one, and then that'll all fit together real nice. And that's how it goes. So force is going down through this. So I'm going to glue this and screw this together and then move on to the next part. Right, so we got this slat bed done. It will go all the way out to a full size. Got the nice wall to lean up against with a power port and USB ports, as well as a 110 outlet for charging all various toys, and this switch is going to be for these lights once we get the power hooked up to that. So another bit done.